XOOM Energy provides electricity, natural gas, and renewable energy solutions to residential, small business, and large commercial customers in energy choice markets across the United States and Canada. XOOM Energy serves consumers in more markets than any other retail energy supplier. If you live in a market with energy choice options, you have the freedom to choose an energy supplier for your home or business. When you choose XOOM Energy, there are no enrollment fees, no service interruptions during the switch, and your choice of pricing and plans. Switching your energy service to XOOM Energy is simple and seamless. Energy plan. Options are fixed price plans, month-to-month variable price plans, renewable energy plans. For new residential customers, when you switch to XOOM Energy, we'll cover your early termination fees with your current energy provider, up to $150, when you enroll on a fixed price plan 12 months or longer. Own multiple residences or a business with multiple locations. XOOM Energy has you covered. If you are looking to enroll 5 or more residential and/or small business locations, you can easily complete our multi-location online enrollment form and let us handle the enrollment process for you. I put the XOOM Energy link in the description for both business and residential. If this information was helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more essential service product options designed to make life choices affordable and less complicated.